Manifestation. Thoughts becoming things. The law of attraction. What you think about, you bring about. You've heard the whispers, haven't you? Those tantalizing promises that your mind holds the key to sculpting reality itself. But what if I told you this isn't just woo-woo wishful thinking? What if I told you the secret's been hiding in plain sight, etched into the very wiring of your brain? Stay with me as we dive deep into the mysterious, electrifying truth behind manifestation. And trust me, it's more powerful than you think. Let's talk desire, focus, two words that sound so simple, yet they're worlds apart. Desire? That's the spark, the fleeting flame of I want this. Focus? That's the fuel, the unrelenting blaze that turns wanting into having. Neuroscience backs this up, and it's mind-blowing. When you lock your thoughts, your energy, your raw emotion onto something, day after day, heartbeat after heartbeat, your brain starts to rewire itself. It's called neuroplasticity, and it's like a cosmic architect, reshaping your mind to match your obsession. But here's where it gets wild. Your brain's got secret weapons, like mirror neurons, firing off, mimicking the actions and emotions you imagine, as if you're already living them. Imagine creating a memory of something that hasn't even happened yet. Mind-boggling. Stick with me. Picture this. You're visualizing a dream, a goal, an objective, no matter how big or small. Those mirror neurons, they're lighting up like a fireworks show, tricking your brain into thinking it's real. That's right. Your brain doesn't know the difference between something imagined in the mind and something happening here in this physical reality right now. They're the same cells that make you flinch when you see someone else get hurt. They bridge the gap between out there and in here. And then there's the prefrontal cortex, that sleek executive command center behind your forehead. It's the master of focus, willpower, and imagination. Feed it a vivid goal, and it starts orchestrating your thoughts, silencing the noise and aligning your inspired actions with what you see in your mind's eye. But there's a catch, a shadow lurking beneath, the subconscious. That shadowy puppeteer pulling strings you don't even see. You might say you want millions of dollars in the bank. Picture yourself sipping champagne on a yacht, the wind whipping through your hair. But deep down, there's a glitch. Money's too hard to earn. I'm not good enough. Rich people are ruthless. These aren't just thoughts. They're chains. Limiting beliefs forged over years, locking you in a cage you didn't even know you built. And the worst part? They're whispering to your prefrontal cortex, dimming its power, while your mirror neurons mimic the struggle instead of the success. But it doesn't have to stay that way. Science says your brain can break free. Ever heard of the reticular activating system? The RAS? It's like a spotlight in your skull, filtering the chaos of the world to show you what matters most. Focus on lack, and you'll see scarcity everywhere. Train it on abundance, and suddenly, opportunities, connections, possibilities, they start popping up like they've been waiting for you all along. Dr. James Doty, a neurosurgeon who's cracked open both skulls and secrets, calls this mind magic. In his work, he reveals how sustained attention, fueled by emotion, rewires your neural pathways. Add visualization to the mix, and it's like handing your brain a cheat code. Visualization isn't just daydreaming. It's a superpower. When you close your eyes and you see it, feel it, and believe it, your brain doesn't mess around. The prefrontal cortex sketches the blueprint. Mirror neurons fire as if you already are there. Dopamine surges. Your heart pounds, and your nervous system blurs the line between fantasy and fact. Take the U.S. Navy Blue Angels, those fearless pilots who tear through the sky in perfect sync. Before every death-defying flight, they don't just plan, they visualize. Sitting together, eyes shut, they trace every turn, every roll, every split-second move. Hands twitch as if gripping the controls, muscles tense as if fighting G-forces. They see the jet stream, hear the roar, feel the adrenaline, down to the tiniest detail. And when they finally climb into the cockpit, their brains have already flown the mission 100 times. That's the power of visualization. It's rehearsal for reality. On the flip side, it cuts both ways. Drown in worry, fear, doubt, and rumination, and you're still rehearsing. Only it's a dark mental script. Visualizing failure and worst-case scenarios with the same raw power, just aimed in the wrong direction. Doty's got proof. Studies show that when you marry vivid intention with visceral feeling, say, imagining the yacht so clearly you could smell the salt water, feeling the sun searing your skin, your brain lights up. Your RAS locks onto the target. Your mirror neurons simulate the victory. Your prefrontal cortex lays the tracks. Dopamine floods in, and your nervous system can't tell what's real from what's imagined. Keep that up, and the universe starts to play along. Call it coincidence, synchronicity, or quantum weirdness. But Doty says it's more. It's your mind syncing with the world, pulling the threads of reality closer, one focused thought at a time. So, why isn't everyone a millionaire? Why aren't your wildest dreams spilling into your lap? Because manifestation isn't a lazy man's game. It's not sitting on your couch, daydreaming about a Ferrari. It's work. It's persistence. It's a paradigm shift. And it's staring down those pesky, limiting beliefs and burning them to the ground. The brain demands consistency, weeks, months of laser-like focus to muster the energy, align the pieces, feel the emotions, and ignite the spark. Mirror neurons need a script worth acting out. The prefrontal cortex needs a vision worth chasing. But when it clicks, when your RAS locks in, your subconscious rewrites the rules and your reality bends. That's when the impossible starts to feel inevitable. So, what's it gonna be? A fleeting wish or a force of nature? The science is there. Mirror neurons firing, prefrontal cortex plotting, visualization bending time itself. The power's in you. See it, feel it, and believe it. All it takes is one question. What are you willing to focus on until it's yours? Think about it. The clock's ticking, and the universe, it's listening. Thanks again for listening. This is Michael Anthony, and have yourself a fantastic day.